Pasta recipe. 8 ounces to 125 grams, pasta your choice. 1 pounds to 125 grams, ground beef. 1 onion, chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 bell pepper, diced. 1 zucchini, diced. 1 cup cherry tomatoes. Half to 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, salt and pepper to taste. Grated Parmesan cheese optional, olive oil. 1. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions. Drain and set aside. 2. In a large skillet, heat a bit of olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook until translucent. 3. Add the minced garlic and ground beef to the skillet. Cook until the beef is browned and cook through. 4. Stir in the diced bell pepper, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes. Cook for a few minutes until the vegetables start to soften. 5. Add the dried oregano, dried basil, salt, and pepper. Stir to combine and let the flavors meld for a couple of minutes. 6. Toss in the cooked pasta and mix everything together in the skillet. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. 8. Serve the beef and vegetable pasta in bowls if desired. Sprinkle grated Parmesan cheese on top before serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade beef and vegetable pasta.